Hi guys, hope you people are doing good. So today I'm back with another video that is about the computer organization and architecture expected or important questions. This is all about the BTech second year first semester students and the students who cannot prepare all the topics from all the units. Please go through this video and don't completely depend on these questions, but also see other topics also. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. And one more important thing is that this COA subject is very important for the GATE examination. So let's get into the video without any delay. So coming to the first unit of COA, in the first unit we have 4 important questions which are most repeated. Please don't depend only on these questions. Be perfect in these questions, that's it. So the first question is definitions of CO, CA, CD or a block diagram of OD digital computer. This is the most repeated question. And coming to the second one, the second one is also very important and repeated for many times. Micro operations of arithmetic and logic. So arithmetic micro operations and logic micro operations, this is important one. And coming to the third question, computer registers, computer instruction codes, computer registers or computer instruction codes. So learn about the registers. And these registers helps you in the upcoming units of COA also. Be perfect in this. And coming to fourth one, control gates for input of memory in basic computers. So you have to learn about control gates perfectly. Don't leave these 4 questions before going to the examination. Along with the other topics, prepare for these also. CY is very important subject for your GATE exam also. So prepare for these 4 questions perfectly. And now coming to unit 2, we have 4 important questions in unit 2 also, that is addressing modes. And the second one is hardwired control unit and programmed control unit. Hardwired control unit, programmed control, micro programmed control unit, this is also important one. And coming to the third one, stack organization. Stack organization is also repeated for many times in the previous year's question papers, and don't skip this question. And coming to the fourth one, micro program sequence for a control memory. Micro program sequence for a control memory. Prepare this question also. And coming to unit 3, floating point representation. Floating point representation. And second question is multiplication algorithm with example. This is also very important one, and we found this in the last year question paper also. And the third one, decimal arithmetic operations. Decimal arithmetic operations is very important, and learn it with an example, it is better. Now coming to the fourth one, conversion from decimal, binary, octal, hexa and vice versa. So in these conversions we'll have decimal to binary, binary to octal, octal to hexa, hexa to binary. So all these conversions you have to learn perfectly. They may ask one or two problems from this fourth question from third unit. Now let's get into the fourth unit. Asynchronous data transfer. This question is the most repeated and very important question. Asynchronous data transfer. And the second question is modes of transfer or direct to memory access. DMA is also very important one. DMA is a perfect question which will be repeated for many times. So learn perfectly. Coming to the third one, memory hierarchy. Memory hierarchy is also very important. That is the hardware, hard disk, RAM, cache memory. So you'll have these all memories from the memory hierarchy. Coming to the fourth one, short note on auxiliary associative cache memory. Yes, this is also important. Learn this question. And let's go to the final, that is the fifth unit. Fifth unit, first question is pipeline definition or arithmetic pipeline or parallel processing. So these are the different types they may be asked. So this is about the first question. Coming to the second one, structure of general purpose multi-computers. So structure in the sense a block diagram. You have to learn the block diagram. And so next, third question, interprocessor arbitration. This is also the important question. Interprocessor arbitration is repeated from many times. And coming to the last one, cage coherence. This cage coherence is also an important one, don't skip it. So all these questions you please better learn with the block diagram. In COA the block diagrams are very important and than the theory. So they'll not check whole theory from point to point, point to point. They'll check the block diagram and they'll get a good impression on the student while giving the marks. So go through all these questions thoroughly before going to exam. Don't depend only on these questions. I am repeating, don't depend only on these questions. Okay, thank you for watching my video.